On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2022 Columbus 388FK by Forest River. This luxurious fifth-wheel travel trailer combines elegance and functionality to elevate your travel and living experience. With exceptional exterior storage space and access, packing all your travel essentials is a breeze. And the utility connection area ensures that setting up camp is fast and easy. Enter into the central living room, a space that's both cozy and luxurious. The entertainment area is a standout feature. It's perfect for movie nights or your favorite shows and games, providing entertainment no matter where your journey takes you. Seating is versatile and comfortable, offering various options to lounge and relax with family and friends. The front kitchen area is a chef's dream. It's equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, including a microwave, sink, large side-by-side refrigerator, and range. The vented range is a highlight, with plenty of counter space on either side. And the spacious stainless refrigerator ensures you have enough capacity for even the longest of stays. The seated table area overlooks the living room, a perfect space for meals or quick snacks. The hallway steps up into the private master bedroom and bathroom area. In the bedroom, the convenience of a washer and dryer closet means you can travel for extended periods without the hassle of laundromats. The king-size bed, with a dresser and TV at the foot, offers a luxurious sleeping experience, ensuring you're well rested for your adventures. The dual-entry bathroom provides easy bedroom access. Its large double vanity features a solid surface countertop with integrated sinks. There's ample storage underneath, and a corner linen cabinet for all your bathroom essentials. The foot-flush toilet adds a touch of modern convenience, and the large sliding glass door shower, complete with a skylight and teak bench seat, offers a spa-like experience. Whether you're exploring new horizons or revisiting favorite destinations, this RV is your gateway to a world of exploration and comfort. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned, recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.